State your name for the record, Mr. Capaldi.
Mark Capaldi.
Take your hands out of your pockets.
Mark Capaldi.
All right, what are we doing? Because we got a whole other thing here, Mr. Allen. All right. Mr. Allen he's going to have an issue. All right, what are we doing?
So, Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. I've been working with Mr. Capaldi to get information for treatment. I did speak with the prosecution. They were looking to hopefully get him into the felony drug treatment program. He wanted to submit proof of treatment that he has been receiving since the onset of this particular case. I think that was what, November?
Yes, I've done inpatient twice since then. I just got signed up again about 10 days ago, a week and a half ago, to continue inpatient. I had lost my job after the last time I came here because I couldn't get my license back. I started a new job on Monday. So I have transportation, no reason to miss anything. And the outpatient is intensive outpatient. It's three-hour meetings on Skype and one in person per week.
How come you're not doing your testing?
On the 13th and the 19th, I had showed up. I only had $10. Like I said, I had lost my job. I can go test right now.
On the 13th, I have
The 13th, I had just missed, Your Honor. Sorry.
The 4th of December. No show, no call. December 13th.
Was that before I had spoke with the other attorney about that? That was when I didn't have my license. I told him I tried for there was only a couple weeks there that I was supposed to be getting my license back, and he said when they adjourned it last time, everything would be cool if I got my license back. I didn't because of
Mr. Capaldi.
Yes, sir.
November 21st, you were positive for THC. You don't have a medical marijuana.
Yes, I got that in last time. Last time I was here, I've had it.
All right, then I'll skip up over the next positive. December 4th, 2023, missed sample. No show, no call. December 13th, no show, no call. December 19th, issued a bond violation report.
The defendant tries to explain why he missed his mandatory drug tests, saying he didn't have $12. The judge listens, unimpressed. A missed test isn't a small mistake, it's a violation. Excuses won't fix it. And now, the judge's patience is running thin.
When did you go up?
The 13th and the 19th.
You went there.
Yes.
So they're telling me it was a no show, no call.
No, I showed up. I just didn't have.
Who'd you talk to?
No idea, Your Honor. It was at the front desk.
Really?
Yes.
So why would they put down no show, no call if you showed up?
The only reason I think it's because when I walked in there, I had just told them I only had $10, and they said that they weren't going to let me test, and I didn't get signed in. I can go twice a week. I can go every day.
Yeah, I know, because you're in trouble.
No, we have 2 vehicles now in my house. I can test as much as. I got a new job. I'm starting Monday. I have transportation. I'm still in an intensive outpatient.
Where are you in intensive outpatient?
With Skywood IOP.
How long have you been in that?
Since I've been coming here. Over 60. I've signed up twice for it. I've done 2 cycles of it. My inpatient was at Skywood when I first came here. I'd gotten released from Skywood a day or 2 before first time I came here, and I've been doing outpatient since then. I have the documentation.
Did you give that to your attorney?
I do have that, Your Honor. I have his, I presented, I don't remember which API. I'm actually forwarding it to Mr. Childers right now. He presented this information to me when this case first began. We were just waiting on more treatment under his belt to get proof of his continued treatment through Skywood. So I think there was an initial date or hearing that he had missed, and he was in their inpatient treatment program at that time, and we presented that information.
Right, that was, I got that part, but I still don't know why he's missing his test.
And he spoke with me today, Your Honor, and told me about the $10. He stated that out of county, they're usually able to allow him to run up a tab, or they will allow them to pay whatever they can and allow them to test. I did not get to speak with anyone from Community Corrections.
The courtroom grows tense. The judge leans forward and says, "I don't think this is about money. I think you just didn't show up." His words slice through the excuses like a knife. In that moment, the defendant realizes the system doesn't run on sympathy, it runs on truth.
I don't think you showed, because that's what I'm being told. And I can't believe that you walked in, said, I only have this much, and then you just walked away. And then you walk in the following week, do the same thing, and just walked away. And if you did that, then your whole purpose in doing that is so that you didn't have to test, but try to say I could show, because you know you're supposed to test.
No, I really have.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Mr. Carey Akinruli, you can call over to Community Corrections, see if anybody's seen this gentleman.
Okay.
And whether or not they're willing to change his report. Otherwise, what's gonna end up happening is he's gonna sit. And even for right now, because I can't trust you, Mr. Allen, you can take him back. As soon as we get an answer, then we'll deal with it.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll pass the matter.